What are you talking about? That can't be Black Zetsu. The Infinite Tsukuyomi is a jutsu belonging to the Uchiha clan. It's one that brings eternal peace to the shinobi world.
The Infinite Tsukuyomi isn't a jutsu to create peaceful dreams. It's a jutsu to gather enormous amounts of chakra from its captives.
For what purpose?
For the exact purpose you just enacted, all according to my will, or rather, Kaguya's. Just as you used Obito as a pawn, you too were merely a pawn.
Why did this happen?
Hashirama.
Where did I go wrong?